Hello, welcome once again to my channel, Second Matter, the solution to your math problems. This is Wassce 2025 Core Math for Private Candidates. Theory question 7. A total of 90 students selected from some schools for science and math quiz were asked to indicate the meal they prefer. So these were the categories of meal they chose: banku, rice, and then fufu. Now the results show that 63 liked banku. So remember that there were a total of 90 students, and out of this number, 63 liked banku, 55 liked rice, and 50 liked fufu. Again, 13 liked banku only. So banku only, that's the region for banku only. 8 rice only, and then 5 fufu only. And 22 liked all the 3 meals. So all the 3, 22. So we have to draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the information. That is what we have done. So that is A. And then we have to find the number of students who liked. So before we can do this, let's try to find the values for the remaining regions. So I'm indicating, or I'm representing the number of students who chose banku and rice as A. So what should be A? So remember that 63 students chose banku. So let's say if I represent this region as X, then it means that you could see that inside the banku region, there are 4 different regions. And these 4 regions must sum up to 63. So 13 plus A plus 22 plus X must be equal to 63. Now let's make X a subject. So we have 63 minus 13 minus 22 minus A. 63 minus 13 minus 22. That is 28. So we have 28 minus A. So in place of X, I substitute 28 minus A. Now again, how do I also get an expression for this region? I can also place, let's say, Y here. And again, we know that 55 students chose rice. And inside the rice circle, there are 4 regions. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we sum up these 4 regions, that should be equal to 55. Again, let's make Y the subject. So we have 55 minus 8 minus 22 minus 8. Again, 55 minus 8 minus 22. 25. So Y is equal to 25 minus A. So in place of Y, I substitute 25 minus A. Now we are looking for the exact value of A. And remember that inside a 3-set problem, there are 8 different regions. So let's verify and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus neither of the 3 meals, making 8. Now when we sum up these 8 regions, that must be equal to the universal set, that is 90. But remember in the question that we were asked to find the number of students who liked none of the 3 meals. So this should indicate that, or this should tell us that there are some number of students outside the 3 regions. So because of that, we cannot add up the 7 regions and equate to 90. If we had known the number of students who liked all the 3 meals, then straight away we could have added all the 8 regions and equate to 90. So anytime you come across a situation like this, then you need to find a different alternative. Now, when we decide to sum up all the 4 regions in the Banku circle and equate to 63, what will happen? We have minus a, positive a, so they will cancel out. So when they cancel out, there is nothing we are finding. So we cannot use the Banku circle. Also with the rice circle, we have positive a and then minus a. So when we sum all the 4 regions and equate to 55, the positive a and the negative a will also cancel out. So there is nothing we can find. But looking at the full circle, we have minus a and then minus a. So when we sum up these 4 regions and equate to 50, there is no way minus a and minus a will cancel out. So that is the only option we have. So 28 minus a plus 22 plus 25 minus a plus 5 must be equal to 50. So let's simplify. 28 plus 22 plus 25 plus 5. So we have 80, and then minus a minus a minus 2a, and this must be equal to 50. So we can group like terms. So 80 minus 50, this must be equal to 2a, and then 80 minus 50, that is 30. So we can divide both sides by 2. So we end up getting 15 is equal to a. Therefore, a is equal to 15. The next step, let's redraw the Venn diagram. So so Banku, we have 63, rice 55, universal is 90, here is 5, here is 13, here is 22. Remember that we had a as 15, then here is 8. So let's simplify. 28 minus a. You know that a is 15. So 28 minus 15, we have 13. And then 25 minus 15, that is 10. And again, remember that in a 3-set problem, when we add up all the 8 regions, it should be equal to 90. So now let's add up the 7 regions and see. 13. Okay, so the whole of this was 63. So 63 plus 18 plus 5. That is 86. So 86, meaning that there are 4 students who like none of the 3 food items. So with this, we should be able to solve the remaining part of the question. Now B. So BI, we are looking for the number of students who like Banku and rice. So Banku and rice. So that is the intersection of the Banku and rice circle. So their intersection, 15 plus 22. So that is 37 students. Again, BII. The number of students who liked only 2 of the meals. So only 2 of the meals. So that is banku and fufu only, plus banku and rice only, plus fufu and rice only. So 13 plus 15 plus 10. 13 plus 15, that is 28, plus 10, so 38 students. And then lastly, the number of students who like none of the meals. So none of the meals, that is 4. So this brings us to the end of theory question number 7. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please like, comment, and share. See you next time.